How to secure your BeReal account. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to secure your BeReal account. Now here, what you can do is you should manage your in-app privacy settings, be mindful of the content that you share, and use general best practice for online security. Now what you need is, first of all, open the BeReal application. Now basically when posting, you could select the friends only option instead of sharing with public discover feed. So this restrictions restricts who can see your content to only the people you have manually added and trust. Next, you can only add people you know and trust in the real life. Regularly review your friend list and remove anyone you do not recognize or trust. And then you could also by default BeReal may enable location services. It is strongly recommended to turn it off. And to turn off, you could just go to the profile, click the gear icon, and go to the location section over here, or just go to the time zone, and accordingly you could go ahead and make changes with your location. So here it is, you could just manually go ahead and turn it off, and this is how it's done. And next, you can also prevent other user from finding your account via your phone number. You could just go to the profile and then click on the settings button and go to privacy, and here you could just go ahead and enable or toggle find me by my phone number option. So toggle this button, and this can also help you out to secure your BeReal account. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.